At number 5 we have the DJI E58, an FPV drone with built-in camera, good for adults, for children, and for beginners with many features such as altitude hold, Wi-Fi connection, first-person viewing with its 2-megapixel, 720p, wide-angle camera and mobile app control, included with 3 batteries. This is a great FPV drone for people starting to get into drones. At only £79.99 with free delivery, it is an entry-level quadcopter for all ages. Take high-definition pictures and videos and enjoy the FPV function with a 120 degrees wide-angle, 720p HD camera including adjustable angle, meaning you can capture high-quality video and clear aerial photos with ease. The Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system can connect to your phone or a headset with the view that the drone has shown directly on your phone, thus enjoy the world above the horizon, accurately capturing photos and recording videos of those extraordinary moments. The small fuselage contains excellent performance and a clever folding design, letting you travel light. The drone arm is replaceable, so when the motor or drone arm is broken, you don't need to worry about the drone. Just replace the drone arm and it can fly again. On altitude hold mode, with a built-in barometer, you can accurately lock the height and location, create a stable hover and capture video or photos from any angle. Making the DJI E58 experience very easy and convenient, even a novice can fly this drone easily. The drone automatically takes off and lands with one click and has an emergency landing feature to prevent collision with other things, or if it gets a bit too far away from you. Headless mode means that the drone itself has no head-to-tail direction, that is, no matter how the body rotates, when you control it forward, it goes away from you, pull the stick backwards, it makes it come to you. This mode is very suitable for both beginners and kids. There are 3 speed settings too. The button is set in the upper right front of the remote control. Press once to fly at low speed, press twice to fly at medium speed, and press 3 times to fly at the highest speed. As long as the drone is within the controllable range, 80 to 100 meters for remote control, 30 meters for FPV control. If you encounter an emergency, long press the button on the left upper corner of the remote control to return the drone with its 1-key return. The DJI E58 has many awesome functions thanks to the app you're able to download for it. Click on the gyroscope icon, the drone will fly according to the gravity of the mobile phone. Click the rev icon, the drone can flip the screen 180 degrees. Click on the VR icon to turn on mobile phone split screen mode. Wear the VR glasses to experience real-time transmission 3D visualization. Click on the trajectory flight icon to draw a flight trajectory on the phone. The drone will then follow the trajectory, and many more. So as for the tech specs, this quadcopter uses 1S, 3.7-volt, 500 mAh batteries, which charge in around 60 minutes, giving you 7 to 9 minutes flight time. It has 0720 coreless motors, 6-axis gyro, 4-channel transmitter, and weighs in at 96 grams with the battery installed. Overall, this drone will give you a lot of fun, for not a lot of money. At number 4 we have the Hubsan H501S Advanced version, 5.8 GHz, FPV quadcopter with 10 plus channels, headless mode, GPS, ready-to-fly drone with 3-megapixel camera, available in black or white and gold. At £180, this drone has better quality, durability, distance and features than many drones in this price bracket. Hubsan H501S Pro has 5.8 GHz, FPV real-time video transmission, full 1080p high-definition camera, follow-me mode, headless mode, altitude mode, automatic return, fail-safe protection, and GPS accurate positioning location. The 1080p HD camera and 3.7-inch FPV LCD screen are tuned amazingly to capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. The transmitter will give you a wealth of information such as the distance the drone is away from you, the height in which it is currently, how much charge is left in the batteries, etc. With the battery's large capacity, you will be sure to enjoy the extended flying time. It runs on 2S, 7.4-volt, 2700 mAh, 10 LiPo batteries that are lasting up to 20 minutes. You can just relax and fly this drone, without the need to worry about losing control. The H501S makes you feel protected as it will enter into the fail-safe mode and return to home once the connection is lost from the transmitter, or you hit the return to home switch. The flight control system will control the quadcopter to return to the point you took off from and will land the drone automatically. Strong stability is achieved with 6-axis gyro, giving stronger wind resistance and making it easier to control. The unmatched brushless motor is made by superb technology, making it more powerful and more durable. The Hubsan H501S advanced version has a 32GB micro SD card slot on the underbelly so you can record epic flight videos or take some amazing aerial pictures at the click of a button. The Hubsan is pretty light, weighing in at just shy of 410 grams, although the oversized propellers give it a sense of being quite large. Hubsan have established quite a following among those consumers looking for a beginner-friendly drone, and with its reasonable price this model does not disappoint. For under £200 you get a lot of features and fun with this higher end of the budget quadcopters available. In the box you get the drone, the controller, one battery, a balance charger, 2 pairs of propellers so you got a spare set and some tools and a manual. Overall this is a great drone that will provide many hours of entertainment. At number 3, introducing the Holystone HS700 FPV drone with 1080p HD camera, live video, GPS return home, brushless motors, follow me mode and 5G Wi-Fi transmission. This drone comes in the crisp color of clean white, and is also capable of fitting a GoPro Hero 2, 3 or 4 for those smooth action video flights, linked below. At £239.99 and free delivery, the Holystone HS700 is geared up more towards the photography side of piloting a drone with its 5G 1080p high-definition camera. The advanced camera with 110 degrees field of view lens captures high-quality aerial video and photos with amazing panoramic views. 5G image transmission, up to 1300 feet, ensures high-speed real-time video without delay, allowing you to fly higher and further. Fitting a GoPro Hero to the gimbals located in the underbelly will ensure you always capture those amazing flyovers with ease. You'll be sure to stay in the air with its 2204, 1500 kV, long-lasting brushless motor that gives you a quiet, low noise and powerful flight. Breakdowns rarely occur with these brushless motors, which makes your flight that little bit more enjoyable. With its aerodynamic structure, lightweight body, slick design, you gain significantly increased flight stability. The Holystone HS700 reaches speeds of 25 km per hour, and up to 60 km per hour when flying downwind. User-friendly interactive interface and intelligent flights can be realized with just one click. You can also manually set the flying height, flying distance, and the flying radius, so that drone only listens to you. Supported by the 2800 mAh cartridge-shaped battery, the HS700 can fly up to 20 minutes while live feed is turned off, to enjoy more voyages and record more landscapes with the underbelly advanced camera. Common drones of this weight usually fly around 8 minutes. So the flight time is impressive considering its 608 grams bulk. The weight, however, may push you over the threshold of needing certain licenses depending on where you live, so it's always worth a check with your local laws before flying. The Holystone HS700 has many features such as custom flight path app control. Simply draw a route or tap several points on the app screen and the HS700 will fly along the path and send back real-time landscape to you. GPS follow me mode lets you shoot with ease when the drone can follow you with the camera pointing towards you. Free your hands to take photos or videos. Edit and share your new creations to your favorite social media sites. With point of interest, HS700 will continually circle clockwise around the present point. This function can make everything you capture more exciting and fun to watch. And if all else should fail, feel safe knowing you have the auto return so that the HS700 can always fly back to the takeoff point as per your instruction, or whenever it run out of power or loses connection, even if you accidentally fly it out of range. This drone is very user-friendly. Quick launch by pressing one key. Quick release propellers can be set up with no screws. Stable flight that can keep its altitude locked, and easy direction distinction with headless mode. All this so you can focus on the camera control and get those more captivating complex shots. In the box you get one drone with manual, one transmitter with phone holder, one camera with TF card inside, one drone battery with charge transfer box, balance charger and USB charging cables, one fireproof battery charging bag, 8 propellers, 2 landing gear legs, and 1 screwdriver. Coming in at number 2, the amazing Parrot Anafi, the ultra-compact flying 4K HDR camera drone. Anafi is a serious bit of kit. The flying 4K HDR camera that you can take with you anywhere. It unfolds in less than 3 seconds and has a frame that is made from a lightweight carbon. This ultra-compact drone boasts a 25-minute flight time and takes super high-quality photos in RAW from a 21-megapixel Sony sensor that has an ISO range of 50 to 3200 and can go up to 2.8 digital zoom without losing quality. That's better than some DSLR cameras. Thanks to its USB-C charging system, you can charge your Parrot drone batteries or controller anytime or anywhere. Anafi comes complete with a foldable Parrot Sky Controller version 3, and the camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, at 180-degree vertical tilt that is ideal for super low-angle shots. This unbelievable feature has never before been seen in non-commercial use drones before, making the Anafi the smaller and quieter choice for consumer drones. The drone is capable of restricting its area in which it flies to a predefined area once configured by the user in the pre-flight menu options. It is also capable of returning to the last synchronized location with its automated GPS return to home mode. The connection can be verified by the GPS icons for the drone and phone in the free Flight 6 app. Should at any point the phone and the drone become disconnected once paired and in flight, the drone will automatically return to the previously stored location. The Parrot Anafi offers great portability, crystal clear high-quality footage, and not totally breaking the bank. £549 is what you will need to part with to own one of these, but you will not regret it. It can shoot 1080p slow motion and comes with an array of smart flight modes, including the orbit, which circles a subject, follow me, which tracks you, and the novel, one mode that has the camera zooming in while the drone goes backwards, creating a crazy illusion, almost vertigo-like cinematic effect. It does this with its unique zoom capabilities and advanced visual tracking system to create a perspective deformation of the background. Anafi is the only drone on the market able to do this automatically. Anafi also features lossless zoom and smart dronies, which lets you take automatic aerial selfies easily. The drone connects to your controller or phone via Wi-Fi with some connectivity enhancements incorporated. The Parrot Sky Controller 3 is compact, foldable and has a 4 km range. With 2 hours battery life, precise zoom and tilt control at your fingertips and a portable USB-C charging system, it is designed for the seamless integration with Anafi. In the box you will get the drone and Sky Controller, a 16GB micro SD card, 8 additional propeller blades and mounting tool and even a carry case. The Anafi weighs in at 708 grams, so be sure to check your local licensing laws. Overall, this drone is amazing, flies for a long time, it gives you professional quality photographs, it's lightweight, strong, foldable, portable, fast, and all this from a trusted brand. It's certainly worth it, if you can afford it. The Mavic Pro Platinum features a modern design with a compact body that has plenty of power with a 60% noise reduction of 4 decibels and packed out with features. The DJI Mavic Pro Platinum is the best portable drone on the market today. With a brand new aerodynamic design, the 8331 propellers give the Mavic Pro Platinum an impressive noise control performance, and the new FOCESC drivers offer sinusoidal current for increased stability. Specifications of the aircraft folded is a height of 83 mm by a width of 83 mm and a diagonal length of 198 mm. Propellers excluded, 743 grams with the battery, gimbal cover and propellers included. Maximum ascent speed 16.4 feet per second or 5 meters a second, and settings to tune it down if you wish. Top speed of 40 miles per hour or 65 kilometers per hour in sport mode, without wind. It has a max service ceiling height of 16,404 feet or 5,000 meters and a max flight time of 30 minutes, or a hovering time of 27 minutes. Total travel distance on one full battery, with no wind, is 9.3 miles or 15 kilometers. Operating temperature range is 32 to 104 Fahrenheit. Satellite positioning systems hover accuracy range up to within 0.1 meters or 10 centimeters pinpoint accuracy. This drone is just simply, next level amazing, but don't just take my word for it, watch this amazing video made by DJI themselves.
It may sound crazy, but you can do this too. All of it. It's easy. How do we know? Because we've made it easy. At DJI, we created the flying camera as you know it, and there's a good chance that the drone videos you've seen online were shot with one of our cameras. This time, we started small, so you can dream big. We created your first personal drone, but we're still squeezing in big power. It automatically follows you or whatever you want, without a bracelet or tracker, avoids obstacles, and comes packed with a 4K stabilized camera, 27-minute flight time, and a whole lot more. This is the DJI Mavic Pro, and this is the DJI Mavic Pro Unfolded. To make it this small, we had to rip out a ton of cool stuff, right? No, it's got 24 high-performance computing cores, dual satellite connectivity, an all-new transmission system with a 4.3-mile range, 4 vision sensors, and more. Sound complicated? It's not. It's easy. The Mavic knows where it takes off from, where it is in the air, where it's going, and what it's capturing. When you take off, the Mavic uses 2 vision sensors and connects with up to 20 satellites, all so it can remember your location. This means the Mavic knows where home is, so it can return by itself. Precision landing technology means it can land almost exactly where you took off, at the touch of a button. As you fly, satellite systems keep track of you, working in harmony with all 4 vision sensors, telling it what's below and what's in front, whether you are flying beside a cliff, in a forest, or even indoors. Just like you, Mavic sees and thinks. That means it can avoid the things in its path, from trees to walls. Any good flying camera needs stabilization. The Mavic's expertly miniaturized gimbal keeps the entire camera steady. Unlike electronic stabilization, you use every pixel from the sensor, and you don't have the weight of a bulky add-on camera. Shooting an epic tracking shot of a friend is easy. Active track technology means it just takes a few taps. Not just one kind of tracking shot either. It's got spotlight, profile, and trace. Or use tap fly to tap and fly. Terrain follow mode keeps the Mavic at a height you define as the ground rises, so you can focus on your shot, not your height. Everything can be controlled using a gamepad-sized controller you can keep in your pocket. It opens up to clamp around your phone and has been custom engineered to give you more feedback and more accuracy. You will always feel in control. If you don't want to bother with the controller, fly using virtual joysticks right from your phone over Wi-Fi. Whether you fly with the remote controller or just your phone, active track modes are ready to make you shoot like a pro. Want to be on camera, not behind it? It just takes a wave and a gesture. Then there's the new DJI goggle. Strap these on to really feel like you're flying. Combine them with sport mode to get your pulse pumping while you fly at an incredible 40 miles per hour. Once you've got your shots, edit everything together in DJI Go and share or even stream your flight live to Facebook or YouTube. Inspiration can strike from the smallest thing: a sketch, a feeling, an experience. The Mavic has been designed for you to take it anywhere, ready at a moment's notice, whenever inspiration strikes you to create something truly great. DJI Mavic, wherever you go.